Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sonia Bhalla, a practicing ophthalmology at Iris Healthcare and Fortis Institute, Gurgaon. आज मैं आपको बेसिकली डिजिटल स्क्रीन जो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसके यू कैन से साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑन द आई बताने जा रही हूँ. द बेसिक साइड इफेक्ट दैट आई वांट टू डिस्कस टुडे इज ड्राई आईज. क्या होता है ड्राई आईज, क्यों होता है ड्राई आईज और किस लिए होता है ड्राई आईज. One of the first things that you have to understand is to see clear. We need to have a very clear surface on the eye. अगर हमारा surface clear नहीं हो, clean नहीं हो, तो हमारे को blurry vision होती है. Tears एक layer होती है हमारे cornea के ऊपर which maintains that clarity. अगर tears नहीं होंगे तो हमारी clarity खत्म हो जाएगी, blurry vision होगा and focusing में भी problem होती है, दिखता नहीं है, पेन होता है, बहुत सारे problems that we can face with dry eye. So tear film basically spread over the eyes when we blink. Every blink replenishes the tear film. Normal production is one part of it, but spread of the tears is another part of it. These days हमारा digital work इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है from all age groups, from I wouldn't say a newborn, but probably a 1 to 2-year-old child to an 85-90-year-old person. All of us are so much, especially in the last 1.5 years because of the pandemic, are so much onto the digital screen that we are constantly focused with our blinking pattern reduced. Because हम blink नहीं कर रहे तो tears replenish नहीं हो रहे, tears replenish नहीं हो रहे तो eyes dry हो रही हैं. जितना tear eye में already है वो evaporate हो जाता है और हम replenish नहीं कर रहे हैं उसको. So evaporative dry eye is what the term we generally use. There are other reasons also for the dry eye, but this is the commonest. क्योंकि tears नहीं वहाँ पे टिक रहे हैं तो brain को लगता है कि tears sufficient नहीं है. Because tears sufficient नहीं है तो it produces a reaction in the eye because of which you need to then go to a doctor because या तो pain हो रहा है या watering हो रही है या redness हो रही है या blurring हो रही है या जैसे बहुत लोग आके कहते हैं आँख में रड़क रहा है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. Now, what not to do and how to avoid this? Frankly, with so much of digital work, it is very difficult to avoid dry eye. But we can take certain steps to avoid this. Or you can say to sort of help the health of the eye. Always remember that it is not what you are doing, but how you are doing that affects the eyes. One of them is how you are sitting and working on the screen. So regular breaks are a must. The more we sit continuously, the more we we push the dry eye into the eyes. It's like that. So आपको regularly, there is no hard and fast rule. Some say 20 minutes, some say 30 minutes. But what you need to do is it should not be a continuous screen work. 3 घंटे 4 घंटे के बाद 1 घंटे का break is worthless. You need to take 5 to 10 minutes break every half an hour to 20 minutes, and that causes one increased blinking because then we are doing something else, we are not focusing, तो blink pattern increase हो जाता है और break हो जाता है तो हमारा focusing भी कम हो जाता है and it helps in replenishing the tears. दूसरा, make sure when you're using the screen there should be no bright illumination. You shouldn't be sitting in say bright sunlight to work on the screen. It should be an ambient lighting. There should not be something too strong around it. Apart from taking breaks, then the other things like no lying down and watching TV or looking at the screen, not keeping the screen too close to the eyes, all these add on to the health of the eyes. Always remember to drink adequate fluids, replenish the eyes with artificial tears whenever and as much as you can. Do not think of it as a medicine. Think of it as replenishment and to increase the health of the eye. Because a lot of people do not want to put the drops thinking it is a medicine. It is just lubricating the eyes. It just stays on the surface of the eyes. So it is very important कि आप उसको lubricate करते रहें. जितना हो सके डिजिटल स्क्रीन से नियर स्क्रीन से डिस्टेंस का व्यू भी लें. इन द सेंस when you're working on the near screen, you try and take breaks and focus at a distance object so that there are breaks in between your visual focusing. So these little things would help ease out the pressures on the eye. Of course, if you have headaches and if you have actual blurring, you need to go to the doctor. Despite taking all these precautions, if that's still happening, please consult your doctor. Please use the prescribed medicines. And if you have glasses, make sure you use them as well. Another thing that comes very handy is the anti-glare screen, or what a lot of hype is around, the blue ray. It eases out the visual usage by diminishing the brightness of the screen. So that will always help. So it's always advisable to use that as well when we have long working hours. So I hope whatever little whatever little ideas that I've given you, whatever little inputs that I've given you would help you people, and will make it a healthier eye to work with. Thank you.